y'all. Welcome back to my channel. I hope y'all are doing well. I hope you all are blessed. And I certainly hope you're living your best lives free. And what do I mean by that? Well, the scripture in John 8:36 reads, "If the Son therefore shall make you free, you shall be free indeed." And I'm referring to the Son of the Most High God, Jesus Christ, my Savior, my Lord, my Keeper. He is the only one that can set us free, y'all. And that's what my channel is all about. I'm living free only because of the Most High God, because of Jesus Christ, Yeshua HaMashiach. He is the only one that can deliver us. He is the only one that can bring liberty, life, joy, redemption. I have to go on and on and on and on. I want you to enjoy this video here. Getting ready to do a clean with me video. It's the first clean with me video that I've done. What we're looking at is kind of like a day or a moment in my life. I'm going to be taking care of the pets on the inside. I'm going to be taking care of the pets on the outside and sharing a little bit of this and that with you. So it's my first clean with me. Bear with me. It's not easy to do these. Girl, look at Stinky. Stinky is the one that likes to dance. And, well, you know, Poo-Poo. He's the big one. So they're my alarm clock. They're going to wake me up, and you're going to see why. Yep. Bowls are empty. That's why they're waking me up. It's not because they are so in love with their mom. It's not because I'm such a great mom. No, it's because they're hungry. Yep, that's cats, y'all. They all that love they was giving me. Yeah, it's because the bowls are empty. They need their food. Now this is Baby. Now, Baby and Poochie, the big one, they come from the first litter, and little Stinky, he comes from the second litter. Now, these boys, they're going to bug me and bug me and bug me until I get their food together. But Baby, now, she's a lady. And you see how she's up there and looking down on them? That's because she's better than them. She knows better. She's hungry. But she's not going to sit there and beg me and bug me all day. She's going to wait like a lady, like the lady she is. And yeah, that's my baby right there. Okay, so what I like to do is make them a little charcuterie type of plate where I mix in a little bit of their gravy and a little bit of their meaties, and they love it. And now, watch this. Stinky, he gives me no problems when it's time to eat. He's just going to eat right away. You see how I'm moving the tray around? Now, that's a plate for both Stinky and Poochie. But for some reason, Poochie is standing afar, kind of like looking, and he's thinking he's not getting a plate, but that is his plate. Him and Stinky share plates all the time. So I'm not really sure why he has a little bit of a attitude this morning, but he does. Now, I make a separate plate for Baby. And, well, you see, because she's a lady. She doesn't like to eat with those guys. They smack. They're like all over the place. They're putting their feet all over the tray and all of that. And so she wants to eat separately like a lady by herself. And then look at Poochie. He walked away. Usually him and Stinky share the tray. And it's plenty of food for both of them. I don't know what's going on with Poochie. Okay, so after I take care of the cat stuff in the house, cat litter box, food, all that stuff, then I come out for the hummingbirds. Now, the hummingbirds, they love their nectar, and I gotta feed them. I used to feed all the birds. I used to have a bird feeder, used to feed them in the back, but now that's not an option with the cats. These are hunters, and they're not having it, y'all. So I feed the hummingbirds because they're too quick for my cats. My cats leave these hummingbirds alone. Now, I don't know if that's the way it is all across the board or what, but these cats don't touch the hummingbirds. Honey, the hummingbirds come in, they get their nectar, and they're out. And the hummingbirds know me. They be out there chirping and waiting for me too, because when the nectar gets low, they can't reach it. So I got to go out there, got to clean out the old nectar, and then add the new nectar. And you see, I got to get the hose and all of that kind of stuff to clean it out. And that jet hose cleans it out really, really good, cleans out all the scum and stuff that's in there. Okay, so then you're going to add your nectar, just, pour the nectar into the bird feeder, and then you want to put the lid on and make sure that lid is tightly secured onto the feeder so that that bottom doesn't fall out. And then you want to add some water right there in the middle, and that prevents the insects, like the ants and all those insects that like the sweet, from keeping them from getting into the bird feeder. Now I'm just going to hang it up, and yeah, in the background, y'all can't hear it, but those hummingbirds are chirping. They're chirping, y'all. So, okay, so now the hummingbird feeder is full and the hummingbirds are happy, and that's all for that. Now I'm back in the house doing some cleaning, and yeah, guess who followed me back into the house from the backyard? Well, it's Poochie. And like I said, it's snack time, and he's going to let me know it's time for his snacks. And yes, he did eat earlier. He finally went to his plate after Baby and Stinky had their food. And now he's ready for his snacks. And so he's going to let me know, y'all. He's going to let me know it is time for snacks. And so he'll be the first one to get his snacks, and then the others will follow. Yeah, Baby's coming in now, and she's ready for snacks too. Baby has something going on somewhere, but she'll be back as well. So I got her bowl out and put her snacks in, and then I'm going to do the same for a little Stinky. He'll get his snacks too. They all know their individual bowls, but they also like to eat out of each other's bowls too. So he ate a little bit of his snacks, and then he's going to walk on over to maybe Baby's bowl or Stinky's bowl and eat a few snacks out of there, and then he'll be back outside to play. Okay, so now it's time to start cleaning. And the way I clean my house, I split it up in days. So today is Thursday, which means this is the day that I clean the rooms, my room and the cat's room. And I also do the shampooing of the carpets and the rugs. And so I split my cleaning up 3 times instead of doing everything all at once. And I clean on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. So I want to introduce you to Rob and Anna. That's my Neato vacuum and iRobot mop. And I'm telling you, they are the best of friends. They hang out. And sometimes they work together. But today we got Rob working for us today. He's going to do some vacuuming before I get out the shampooer. And so as you can see, he's searching his surroundings and making sure Anna's okay over there. And what he's going to do is go and do some work for me. Yeah. So let's see what Rob's going to get into today. Okay, so it looks like Rob is handling his tasks just fine. And so I just wanted to go back to explain my 3 days a week cleaning schedule. Now, what I do is clean on Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays. And since today is Thursday, I am cleaning the rooms. So it's my room and the cat room. And I also do all the shampooing of the carpets and the rugs and stuff. So that's why I have Rob going over with the vacuum for the rugs so I can get out the shampooer. And then I'm also going to shampoo the furniture, that sofa there on the right, that ottoman there on the left, and then there's another sofa in the cat room as well. Your cats can fill your whole house with hair and dander and all that. So it's always good to have a good shampooer to make sure you clean all of that stuff off. I am not the old cat lady. I am not the cat lady that has a stinky house. No, I keep my home clean, and this is how I'm going to show you how I do it. So just sit back, relax, listen to some music. This is my first clean with me, y'all. So enjoy the video. Now, I may pop back in here or there just to say hello, maybe explain some things over here, doing some splaining, but other than that, just sit back and relax. Clean with me. Okay, y'all. Now, don't be laughing at my busters. Yes, it says jumpers on the side. They're jumpers. But they're comfortable, y'all. They're comfortable. So don't talk about my busters. They're comfortable. I wear them around the house. I wear them on the treadmill. And they have good padding underneath. Now, I have some Nike Huaraches that I like to wear here and there, when I'm exercising too. But these right here, these jumpers right here now, very comfortable. So don't laugh at my busters, y'all. Anyway, I just finished the ottoman, and now I'm working on the sofa. And what I like to do, a neat little trick, if you have a fabric sofa like this, just pull it tight, you know what I'm saying? And then with the other hand, you shampoo. And that's how you really get in there and get it clean, okay? So you'll see it in some of the other scenes. I think I put them in the other scenes. If not, just think about it. Take part of your hand, take one hand and pull it taut, and the other one and clean. Then you're going to have yourself a clean sofa. All that pet dandruff and all that pet hair is going to be gone. All right, let's get back. Hey, do me a favor. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps my channel out. And you know what? It won't cost you a dime. It's free. Go ahead, hit that thumbs up. Now the shampooer, he doesn't like to be introduced. He's Oscar the Grouch, and he's always complaining. He's lazy. He likes to stay in the closet because he knows whenever I take him out, he's going to have to work very, very hard. So he yells and screams and complains, but he gets the job done. Now, the cats hate Oscar. They hate him with the passion. Now, they can deal with Rob and Anna a bit. They'll even chase Rob and Anna around the house. But Oscar, they break out when he comes. They don't want to be around. They don't want to be near him. But, he has to do the job. Oh, yeah, We have a whole arsenal of weapons. We believe in the right to bear arms over here on this channel. Don't start nothing, won't be nothing. Hey, y'all. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for joining me on my first Clean With Me video. It is the first one that I've done. And it is not easy, y'all. I have to keep repositioning the camera and making sure the shot, you can see me and all that kind of stuff. You can see what I'm doing or whatever. All y'all who do Clean With Me's on the regular, shout out to you because it ain't easy. Anyway, I really appreciate you stopping by with me. And I'm not done yet. I am tired. I got to catch my breath because I am tired. It's already enough having to clean after these cats with all the cat hair and the dander and stuff everywhere. It's already enough cleaning after them, and now I'm trying to put the filming and all of that in there too. No, it ain't easy. I got to Windex the mirrors, the last window here, the window in there, and my mirrors, my TV screen, and my computer screen. Oh, all the stuff where I have to do my Windex. I do the computer screen too because I'm on the computer all the time. So got to do that. And then, so the next thing you're going to see me doing is going to be finally cleaning and shampooing the carpet in this room. And so, yeah, that was my Clean With Me. I hope I was able to motivate someone to get up and clean. If you have cats and pets, get you a shampooer. shampoo those sofas, the chairs, shampoo your carpets. And I do that on the weekly. I use the shampooer just as if I'm using a regular vacuum. Then I got little Rob and Anna going around cleaning for me too. And I'm going to have to check out that Sharp. There's a Sharp, I think at Sam's Club. And I'm going to check it out because it may go on sale on Black Friday. And it does both the vacuuming and the mopping. I have to send Bob and Anna on their way. To all of you all who just subscribed, welcome to my channel. Thank you for subscribing and thank you for visiting with me. If you're here watching today, I just want to say welcome to my channel. I'm just here to spread a little bit of motivation and inspiration to all of those who are in need, a little bit of word of hope from a Christian perspective, and a little of this and a little of that. But it's all about positivity and trying to share a good word. Now, sometimes you might get offended because sometimes that word is going to hit. It's going to punch you in the gut, just like it does me. But you got to hear it just like I have to hear it, right? I'm exhausted. I'm tired. The next scene, I'm going to be shampooing these carpets, and then this Clean With Me video is going to be done. To you new who are here to this channel, who have just subscribed, I'm a prayer warrior too. And so if you have watched this video, subscribed, or whatever, if you just stopped by and clicked off, you're being prayed for. And the Most High knows who you are. And I'm going to keep praying for you daily in my prayers and include you in my prayer. Prayer warrior. I'm a soldier for Christ. I thought you knew. Well, you know now. And thank you for subscribing. Thank all of y'all for watching. And thank you for staying with me on this Clean With Me video. I hope y'all are doing well for the holidays and getting ready for the Thanksgiving coming up. Usually I do some cooking and all of that, but I just haven't been up to it, y'all. This is my birthday month, and everything is going to be catered for Thanksgiving. I don't know about Christmas. I might whip up a little bit something for Christmas, and I might share it with you on a video. I don't know. We'll see. I want to thank you for stopping by. I will see you next time, and God bless. Oh, yeah, stay tuned. I'm getting ready to shampoo these carpets, y'all.